Imagine find a source of cash back on every purchase you make: groceries, gas, travel, or even just grabbing a coffee. With cashback credit cards, it's not just a fantasy, it's money back in your pocket for things you're already buying. Things that really you like to do. Now, pair that with the best cashback websites, and you're doubling your rewards with minimal effort. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about cashback websites, credit cards, and how to maximize your earnings like a pro with tested strategies and tools. Whether you're a seasoned spender or just getting started with rewards, this is your roadmap to getting more from every dollar. Cashback rewards are the easiest way to save without changing your shopping habits. Cashback credit cards offer a simple, powerful way to get rewarded for your everyday spending. These cards work by providing a rebate, a percentage of your purchase, thanks to fees charged to merchants. But not all cashback cards are the same. Some give you a flat rate across all purchases, while others offer bonus rewards in specific categories or use a tiered system. For those looking for simplicity, flat rate cards are a great option. They typically offer 1% to 2% cash back on all purchases, with no need to track spending categories. Want to earn even more? Bonus category cards allow you to earn higher rewards in rotating or fixed categories, but they require more management to stay on top of. Tiered cards are the best of both worlds, offering elevated rewards in select categories while still earning a standard rate on other purchases. These cards allow you to benefit from both flexibility and targeted savings. But why stop there? By combining a cashback credit card with cashback websites like Rakuten or TopCashback, you can double dip on savings. These websites partner with thousands of retailers, offering cashback when you shop through their portal. It's easy to use. Just sign up for free, activate offers with a click, and watch the cash back roll in with every purchase. Be sure to check the description below for a link to Rakuten and TopCashback, where you can start earning cash back immediately on your next purchase. This is a simple way to boost your savings effortlessly. Cashback rewards can be redeemed in many ways, from statement credits to gift cards, travel bookings, or direct bank deposits depending on your card issuer. And if you really want to maximize your savings, consider using a card like the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. It offers up to 6% cash back on groceries and streaming services, and other 3% on gas stations, things you're likely paying for every month anyway. The 6% cash back on grocery spending and 3% on gas stations can add up fast, especially for families. It's a smart way to turn everyday purchases into rewards that work for you. Don't forget to check the description for the best link to the 6% cashback American Express Blue Cash Preferred credit card and start earning big rewards on your everyday spending. It's one of the easiest ways to make sure your money is working as hard as you are. Maximizing your cashback rewards is easier than ever with the right tools and strategies in place. Whether you're using a flat rate, bonus category, or tiered credit card, pairing it with cashback websites like Rakuten or TopCashback can really boost your savings. It was the result of a long investigation focused on providing you with the best ways to start earning cashback. We've shared these referral links in the description so you can begin earning cash back in the smartest, easiest way possible. Share this with those who need a wake-up call, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you found value here. We are Gold Mindset, your infinity knowledge source. See you on next time.